Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be talking about the date and time data types in Tab. Imagine you have a data set that includes the order dates, event times, or even project deadlines. All these involve temporal information, and that's where the date and time data type comes into play. Date and time data types in Tableau are used to store temporal values such as dates, times, or both to represent the moments and intervals. When you're working with the date and time data type, you are dealing with the threads that weave the fabric of time in your data. Some of the examples of date and time data types are the order dates. Think about an e-commerce dataset. Each order has a date attached to it. This order date tells us when a purchase was made. Date type handles these chronological markers, enabling us to analyze the trends and patterns over time. The second example is the event times. Imagine you are analyzing data from an event management system. The times of events, when they started, and when they are going to end. These are the vital pieces of information. Time data type helps us to manage and analyze these intervals, making it easier to create schedules and understand the event sequences. The third example is the project deadlines. In a project management dataset, deadline matters, and these are the specific dates in the future when the task or project needs to be completed. Date data type allows us to work with these target points in time, which help us to ensure that everything stays on the track. And when we are working with the date and time data in the Tableau, there are multiple operations that we can perform to gain the insights. The first one is the date arithmetic, which involves performing the calculation involving dates, such as finding the difference between two dates or adding a specific number of days to your data. The second one is the time interval, which includes analyzing the time duration between the two events to understand the patterns or identify the bottlenecks. The third one is the filtering, in which we use the date and time data types to filter your data and focus on a specific time each. The last one is the aggregation and formatting. In our aggregation, we summarize the data by time intervals, in which we can include the daily, monthly, or yearly data to identify the trends or seasonal patterns. And in formatting, we apply various date and time formats to present the information in clear and understandable way. So I hope date and time data type was clear to you. In the next session, we will be talking about the Boolean data types. Thank you.